Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada, and tonight I want to share with you a new project kit. This will be in the mini catalog that goes live on January 3rd, and it is awesome. I love project kits. They're so fun to put together, and they're no-brainers. And if you just want to sit down and create without giving it a lot of thought, these are perfect. Especially if you want to follow the instructions. You can of course do your own designs and change things up again. But if you just want to follow the instructions and come out with some beautiful cards, this kit's for you. So this is called the Seriously the Best Project Kit. And it is in the new mini catalog on page 60. And I'm going to read you the description out of the catalog so I don't miss anything. Create cards for you to use or package the completed cards in the designer box and give as a gift. It makes 16 cards for each of 4 different designs. Folded card size is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the stamps, ink, and adhesive are sold separately. The color coordination on this set is Balmy Blue, Gold, Mango Melody, Mint Macaron, Pretty Peacock, and Terracotta Tile. So I'm going to show you what's in the kit. And I've actually made up each of the cards as it is instructed in the instruction package. But this is the box that everything comes in, and I love it when Stampin' Up! Does a coordinating box. And I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to show you the pieces. Let me turn it upside down so I can get everything out. There we go. And that's the box. It's got the balmy blue lining. It's beautiful. So you get the twine. Let me just flip through here. You get obviously 8 envelopes, and the envelopes all have this gold foil lining on them. You get some gold sequins. Now remember, I've used up some of the items to make up the cards, but I'm going to save the best for last. You get a lot of vellum in this kit. You get some vellum flags. You get 4 sheets of vellum leaves. Oh, vellum is very delicate, right? And you get 4 sheets of vellum designer paper. You get 4, I guess, 2-inch circles. I'm guessing at the size. I didn't measure them. You get enough birds for the cards. They're used on 2 of the cards. And you get a variety of different banners to stamp the sentiments on. There we go. And you get 4 card bases in the balmy blue. And this is what the finished card, and sorry, you also get 4 of these card fronts, design series paper. So you get enough to make 4 cards that look like this. Pretty. You get 4 printed card fronts in the, is it Pear Pizzazz? Was that the other color? Let me just hold, please. Oh, Balmy Blue, Mango Melody, Mint Macaron, sorry. Mint Macaron. And you get the elements to put, that's what the finished card looks like. You're Seriously the Best, and that's done in the Pretty Peacock, and this is done in the Terracotta Tile. You get 4 card bases in 4 card bases in the Terracotta Tile, and that's what the finished card looks like. Again, these are just cards samples that were as of the instruction project kit, but you can change them up however you want. There's lots of detail, lots of layering on this. And then you get 4 cards, 4 base cards of the Terracotta Tile, and it's got some gold foiling flecks on here. And then there is what the finished card looks like. And then the envelopes that I just stamped the envelopes on the outside with some Pretty Peacock leaves. And it all goes nicely packaged in. That's the twine and the instructions into the box. And just one last thing, it is based on using this stamp set, which is called Seriously the Best. And the two colors stamp pads that were used were the terracotta tile and the pretty peacock. Now, if you're interested in putting this kit together, contact your local demonstrator. I'm in Ontario, Canada, and I will be having a class based on this. I will supply the stamp set and the ink, and customers and the stampers will purchase the stamp set and a little bit extra for adhesives, and it's a class ready to go. And that will be scheduled for the new year. And remember, the new year starts celebration. So this kit is $41. So I'll add on a couple of extra products so that you can get to the $60 mark, and then you will be able to get a free item from the Celebration catalog. So I think that's a pretty good win-win for everybody. All right, so look out in the calendar for this upcoming class. Be scheduled in the new year to coincide with Celebration. Have a good night, everybody, and we'll talk to you again soon.